I'm going to show you how to order a Lolas Cupcake. Go on lolascupcakes.co.uk and click on nationwide. You have a selection of cakes, cupcakes and even brownies. But the one I'm going to go for is a vegan caramel biscuit nationwide cake. And that's because my daughter has a dairy allergy. There we are. Now it says this is enough for 14 slices, and that is true. And you can even select a hand-piped message for free. Just click there and you can pop in any message you would like. And I added happy 5th birthday because my daughter's turning 5. Then you just add it to the basket. And you can add any extras you'd like, or you can just click continue to checkout. Click continue to checkout. If you're happy with everything, I'm just going to go on quick guest checkout. Here, pop in your contact details and your telephone number. You need to order this cake at least 2 days in advance. If you're nice and prepared, then as early as can be. But minimum is 2 days needed for postal deliveries. So you just select the date you would like your cake to arrive. You might want to go for the day before your party, just in case the delivery comes late and on the day, like as in if your party's at 12 o'clock and the delivery might come any time between morning to even the evening. So you might want to order it the day before. So you select your date and then pop in your home address. I'm just going to put in a random address for now. I do not live at Warwick Castle. That would be cool if I did though. And then click on delivery, and then it says the delivery cost is £6.99. You can add a gift message. So if you're giving this for example as a gift to a friend, you can even post it to their house, and they'll pop in a little card in a little cute envelope with any message that you would like, and it will look like that. If you're not home and you need it to be kept in a safe place, the details about that into the safe place instructions section there. And if you're happy with your order, then you can go and click continue, and on the last page pop in your bank card details and your billing address, and then confirm. Click confirm and place your order, and then you just need to wait for your cake to arrive.